When I first did the study on blood-damaged phones, the only blood we were able to find was pig blood. And for years I've wanted to repeat that study with human blood, but it's hard to find human blood that you can use for this kind of testing. And so a few months ago, my wife said, I finally figured out how you can get blood for your phones.
All right, Big Poke.
They have circuit boards inside Ziploc bags, so they're taking just enough blood to submerge the circuit board. These will be submerged in blood for 24 hours. We want to replicate what police officers might find on scene if they show up on scene and find a device that's been covered in blood. After that, they will be addressed here in the lab at varying lengths. We'll address one of the devices immediately. We will address the other one after 24 hours, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and a year. Digital forensics laboratories may not receive a device as evidence until 6 or 9 months after it's been covered in blood. So there's not good guidance out there on what to do to clean those off. So that's what we're hoping to help with. At VTO, we give our blood, sweat, and tears to make science happen.